Students and surgeons demand actions against dental quackery. KIIT World School hosts capacity building program for educators. KIIT Gurugram launches Recycle Garden Trash to Treasure initiative. Delhi High Court to hear CLAT UG results appeal on April 7 amid student anxiety. University of Edinburgh plans £140 million cuts amid financial struggles.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are: the All India Dental Students Association and All India Dental Surgeon Association have called for immediate actions against dental quackery, submitting representations to the Dental Council of India. They highlighted the dangers posed by unqualified practitioners, including the risk of infections like hepatitis B, C, and HIV due to improper sterilization, as well as severe complications like oral cancer from incorrect treatments and substandard materials. The associations urged stricter enforcement of regulations by the State Drug Control Department and the implications of awareness campaigns to educate the public on the dangers of consulting unqualified dental practitioners. KIIT World School Pritampura successfully held a capacity building program to enhance teaching methods and improve learning outcomes. The sessions led by Dr. Nisha Poghat and Dr. Veena Sharma focused on the competency-based pedagogy, creativity and critical thinking, moving away from the rote learning. Teachers explored dynamic lesson planning, classroom resource management and mental health awareness in education. The workshop highlighted holistic student growth through Bloom's taxonomy and National Curriculum Framework and National Mahatma Gandhi's philosophies. Educators also learned the SMART framework and lesson planning on Kolb's experiential learning cycle. The event concluded with lesson plan presentations reinforcing the importance of equipping students with life skills, adaptability, and a growth mindset. KIIT Gurugram recently inaugurated Recycle Garden Trash to Treasure initiative, a student-driven project focused on sustainability. Students took full ownership of creativity, repurposing discarded materials like old tires into vibrant planters and crafting unique containers from the waste items. The garden layout was designed to maximize space and aesthetic value with saplings and seeds chosen for the local climate. This hands-on project transformed waste into green space and provided students with valuable lessons in recycling, resource management, and environmental stewardship. By engaging in this initiative, students developed critical skills in problem solving, teamwork, and creativity, empowering them to become future leaders in sustainability. The Delhi High Court will hear appeals regarding the CLAT UG 2025 results on April 7 following petitions challenging the exam's outcomes. The court emphasized the anxiety caused to students who are also preparing for board exams and expressed urgency in resolving this matter. The appeals, which were transferred from various high courts and the Supreme Court, focused on the alleged errors in the CLAT questions. The court directed the Consortium of National Law Universities to respond within 3 weeks. The CLAT 2025 was held on December 20, 2024, with results announced on December 7, but errors in the answer key led to the petitions challenging the results. The University of Edinburgh has announced plans to cut £140 million to tackle financial difficulties caused by declining international student enrollment and rising costs. The cuts, described by the Vice Chancellor Professor Sir Peter Mathieson as devastating, will be necessary to manage a projected deficit in the coming years. The university will review all the capital expenditures and utilize some assets to generate revenue. Matheson pointed to factors like stagnant teaching income, rising utility and employment costs, and inflation as contributors to the financial strain. The university aims to restore economic stability by 2026-27 academic year while assuring staff of its continued societal impact. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theenn.com, powered by Education Today. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.